Battery leakage messing up your gadgets is a total nightmare you want to avoid at all costs. So, first off, if you spot any signs of battery leakage, don't just ignore it, do get the battery out. As soon as possible before it wrecks more stuff inside. Always use the right type and brand of batteries your device needs because cheap or wrong ones tend to leak more. Keep your gadgets in a cool, dry spot, since heat and moisture are the main culprits that cause batteries to leak. If you won't be using a device for a while, take the batteries out to prevent any chance of damage. When you replace batteries, wipe the battery contacts with a clean cloth to get rid of any leftover corrosion or dirt. Also, check your batteries regularly for any bulging or weird smells. That's a big red flag. If you find any leakage, clean the area gently with a mix of baking soda and water for alkaline batteries or vinegar for acidic ones. Just be careful not to get liquid inside the device. Lastly, always recycle old batteries properly because tossing them in the trash can cause leaks and environmental harm. One of the biggest mistakes people make with battery leakage damage is leaving old batteries inside devices for way too long, which just lets the corrosion spread everywhere. Fix this by making it a habit to check and swap out batteries every few months or before long storage periods. Another common issue is using low quality or expired batteries that are more prone to leaking. Always buy fresh, trusted brands and check expiration dates before popping them in. Lastly, not cleaning battery terminals after leakage leads to poor connections and further damage. Grab some baking soda or vinegar and a little elbow grease to scrub off corrosion right away. BigHomeProjects.com is like your go-to spot for hooking up with local contractors who actually know their stuff and can help fix or replace stuff damaged by battery leaks without messing it up worse. It also gives contractors the chance to find real work around your area, so everyone wins when you need those repairs done right.